In this video, we'll show you how to set up and use your POS system for tap-to-pay transactions using the WisePad card reader. To log into your account, simply swipe left until the Settings panel appears. Tap on Settings, then select Set up Hardware. From there, choose Set up Card Reader. Before connecting, power on the WisePad 3 by holding the power button, then return to the POS system. Then select WisePad 3 from the list. The system will search for your device, and once it's found, tap Connect Card Reader. After a successful connection, navigate to the menu section, go to the burger category and add a few food items. Once you've added the items, tap Charge Amount and select NFC as the payment method. Finally, tap a card on the WisePad 3 to complete the payment. Your receipt will be printed through the printer. Fusion My Business makes running your restaurant simple and smooth.